Hey there, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I have a really fun idea for you guys for a fun summer Bible journaling project. And I did this project last year for summer through fall of 2018. I have a video about setting this up, and then I also have a flip through of this cute little notebook. This is what I did last summer because I couldn't afford to participate in Revival Camp or Camp Reset through the Reset Girl or Illustrated Faith, but I still wanted to use some cute camping objects and things in my journaling Bible. And so I decided that I thought I probably wasn't the only one. And so my friend Deeds and I made a freebie called Camping with Christ. And so it came with all of these word strips. You got these really cute flannel shirts that I made, an A-frame house, the cool title, and then you also got a bunch of other goodies. You got a 3-page devotion written by Deeds and 4 pages worth of objects and coordinating verses. So I have a blog post with this freebie, and I will link that down below. And you guys can still go and download it. And so I decided I wanted to do it again this summer. And so last summer I only did it in this little notebook, so I had to chop up the prompts as well as chop up Deeds' devotion into little bits so that it would fit in here. So that's why this year I wanted to have 2 notebooks. So this was my project for 2018. So for 2019, as I was thinking about doing this again, I was at Target, and I always love looking at their dollar spot. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you do too. But I found the cutest thing ever, you guys. It's this little zipper pouch, and it has all these pockets. So it has a pocket here, a pen loop, a pocket here, and a pocket here. And I thought this would be such a cute place to house my traveler's notebooks. And that way I can take this with me, whether I'm camping, at the beach, on vacation, in the park, in my office, at Starbucks. I can take this with me to journal. And I was just so excited about it. And not only did they have these cute pouches, but they also had patches. That is like a rhyme. So I got this one that says Get Lost, and so I used this alphabet stamp set from Sweet and Sassy Stamps. I thought I had it on my desk, but my desk is kind of messy, so I can't find it, but I'll link it down below. And it says Get Lost with Jesus, because that is my goal for summer and fall of 2019, to get lost with Jesus, to fall in love with him, spending time with him, to just kind of rejuvenate my faith and just being still before the Lord. And so I love how this turned out. I used some red fabric because I ran out of this cute flannel check print. So I just used plain red, and this is just a plain little lined notebook that my aunt gave me a bunch of them. So I will do something similar as to in here, where I write out Bible verses and quotes and prayers all about kind of camping, the wilderness, etc. So that is just my cute little kind of passport pocket-sized notebook that I'm going to use. And then these are the other patches that I picked up for me. And this one says Lover of the Bonfire Smell, S'more Tester, Get Lost, and Happy Camper. I especially liked this one because I have a set called Consuming Fire that I'll talk about in a moment that has a s'more and a fire. And so I thought this would be cool to use. I was trying to track down more of these, but I only found one of them. But I wanted to maybe use it in my illustrating Bible. And then this is where the patch came from. And I want to save this and cut out some tabs from it. So make sure that you save every little bit, including the trash. And I just love how it all fits right in there. And then over here, I'll get to that in a second. So what I did in my traveler's notebook to prepare So this is a plain one. I got this one from Michael's, but I'll link one similar one on Amazon for you guys down below. And I took an old map and I used the old map. And this is one of the pieces from the freebie, and I put it there. And then this is a prayer request card from Allie Scraps. It's her coordinating set to my Consuming Fire kit, and I'll link these prayer request cards down below. And then I added Deeds Devotion, and I've been using this Tombow permanent adhesive, and it works really well. So definitely go pick up one of these. So I taped that in, and then I taped all of these images and verses in. And then next I added my Consuming Fire devotion and questions. I'll link this down below in my Etsy shop. This kit is perfect for summer. It comes with all sorts of fun images, including like a fire, s'mores, a camp chair. There's so many cute little images, and so I wanted to add this. So this is like my camping, summer, outdoors, vacations themed traveler's notebook. And then this is another set of Allie's prayer request cards that match the Consuming Fire kit. And then this piece comes in mine, a little wood pile. And then a space to journal and another one of those prayer request cards. And then I added my set called Oh Happy Day. It is a newer printable in my shop, and I'll link that down below. And it has like a sun and clouds, and so I thought that would be cool to talk about and include as I think about summer. And then these mountains are actually from one of my Christmas freebies. I think it was Advent week 4. I'll link this blog post down below with this freebie of the mountains. And then last but not least, I'm going to put a title here, and this is like part of my kit called Road Trip Time, and I'll link that kit down below. It has this cute camper, which I thought was perfect for summer, and it's all about Ruth and Naomi. And so I already used the devotion piece in a different journal, but I had these pieces left over, and I wanted to include them in this notebook. And so I'll put like something that says Road Trip Time there. And some more spots for journaling, and then a closing prayer. So I am setting myself up for success. That is what I found with doing projects, is like the more you can prep and prepare, the better. So then over here I have all sorts of fun goodies that I'll walk through. So these pieces came from Oh Happy Day. And so I thought those would be really fun with the clouds. Oh Happy Day to think about with camping and outside. And the bacon and eggs come from a digital set in my shop called Breakfast with Jesus, which I didn't print again to include in here, but I had these elements left over. And I don't know, I always think about like breakfast when I'm camping. And I have some other like just stickers, scrapbook stickers. And then these are elements from Road Trip Time, so like my life map, Bible equals my map. Obviously maps are kind of a theme for me for this. Adventures ahead, where I'm going, go, go, go. And so like for this, I could cut it down and use it in my little notebook. So I could cut it down and use it there, or I could use it in my big notebook too. So lots of images, where you go, I'll go, Ruth and Naomi, where is God calling you? And so those are kind of from that kit. And then we have a lot of images from Consuming Fire. Set a fire down in my soul, this really awesome fire image that I created. I make all my own printables because that is something really important to me, is that you guys find like creative and new images that you won't find anywhere else in my Etsy shop. So here's the s'mores I was talking about. So again, this set is perfect for summer, for fall, for camping, for documenting all the cool things God is teaching us. Ignite me, Lord. More fires. And then we're kind of down to some more of the Camping with Christ elements. And then some other just kind of random things. So like these are some stickers. I have some map bits. And these feathers are from Bridget of Scribbles on My Heart's Etsy store, which I'll link below. And then this was the bits from Deeds' devotion that I cut up last year. I loved this from an old map. These are more of those Alley scraps, consuming fire, prayer request cards. And then these are art starts from Alley scraps that match my road trip time kit. And I'll link those down below too. So I have so many awesome printables to use. And I love that I can just stick them all in this pouch and take it with me on the go for Bible journaling. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of a little peek into another way to study God's Word and reflect on what He's doing in our lives this summer. And also, I thought it would be really fun to give away a set like this. So I picked up an extra one. So this is the giveaway one. The giveaway, what you have to do is purchase the Consuming Fire kit in my Etsy shop. So purchase the Consuming Fire kit in my Etsy shop and send me a selfie of you with it either in your Bible or on your computer screen, and I will have like the dates for when the giveaway is happening. So you could either send it to me in a DM on Instagram or email it to me. I'll have my email in the description box below. So that is how you are entered to win this, and again I'll have the dates of the giveaway in the description box below too. So you'll get your own, it says Eat, Sleep, Camp, Repeat. And then inside, I got some patches for you guys. I got even more, so you have these cute little oars, a camper, get lost and happy camper. So you'll get those. You'll get a Papermate Flare pen, or one of my favorite pens. You'll get your own little notebook and big notebooks. We can be notebook twins. You'll get this really awesome stamp set that is obviously perfect for documenting camping and what God teaches you about exploring the outdoors, adventure. So there's a lot of really fun elements in this stamp set. And then I'll also probably fill it with even more goodies like some paper clips and some map bits. And oh, I also forgot I wanted to show you this little book. This is a book that was my aunt's back in the day, but I thought it would be fun to cut up some of these little bits and use them in my notebook, and so I'll give the giveaway winner some fun vintage papers also. So anyways, I just thought this would be a really fun way to remind you guys of the freebie Camping with Jesus, and also a couple of my other sets, Consuming Fire and Happy Day and Road Trip Time. And I just want to encourage you guys that like Bible journaling doesn't have to cost a ton of money, and especially using fun printables that are free from my blog, you guys can really Bible journal for an affordable price. And so be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification because you don't want to miss out on any more Bible journaling videos like this. And be sure to head to the description box for more about the giveaway, and I can't wait to bless one of you guys with a package full of goodies. See you later!